Want to add a line to your Mint Mobile family plan? It's straightforward. First, log into your Mint Mobile account via the app or website. Navigate to the Family Plan section and select Add a Line. Provide the new user's details, like name, email, and phone number, and choose between a physical SIM kit or a digital eSIM. After paying the prorated fee, typically $10 for the first month if added mid-cycle, activate the line using the app or by calling customer service. Ensure the new device is unlocked and compatible with T-Mobile's network. The entire process should take less than 5 minutes. Mint Mobile's family plans offer affordable shared data, talk, and text. You can have up to 7 lines with unlimited data subject to deprioritization during network congestion shared across all. Keep an eye out for deals like the Bring Your Own Device promo for up to $500 in bill credits or referral programs offering 5-month discounts per invited line. Remember, Mint Mobile operates as an MVNO on T-Mobile's 5G network, so you get reliable coverage without long-term contracts. Line management is simple via the app, allowing you to monitor usage and pause services as needed.